Manú National Park was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987. This title acknowledges the park's exceptional biodiversity and cultural significance. Manú is a global treasure that must be preserved for all humankind. Protecting its natural and cultural heritage is our responsibility. Governments, organizations, and individuals must work together. Challenges include deforestation, habitat loss, and climate change. The rewards of conservation are immeasurable. Protecting Manú safeguards biodiversity and supports scientific research. The park offers insights into tropical ecosystems and sustainable living. Manú's cultural heritage is equally important, home to Matsigenka, Harakambut, and Yin peoples. Their lives are intertwined with the forest. Their knowledge is invaluable for conservation. Their presence is a testament to resilience and harmony with nature. They are the guardians of this sacred land. Their stories and traditions offer a unique perspective on nature. Manú National Park is a symphony of life, an orchestra of nature playing out across its vast expanse. The park is home to an estimated 10% of the world's known bird species, a dazzling array of colors and songs that fill the rainforest air. Imagine over 1,000 different types of birds, their calls echoing through the trees, each one a unique melody in the grand composition of the rainforest. From the majestic harpy eagle to the tiny hummingbird, the avian diversity of Manú is astounding. The air buzzes with the activity of these feathered creatures, their songs a constant reminder of the vibrant life that thrives within the park. They are a vital part of the ecosystem, pollinating plants, dispersing seeds, and keeping insect populations in check. But Manú's biodiversity extends far beyond its bird life. The park boasts over 200 species of mammals, from the elusive jaguar to the playful giant otter. These creatures, large and small, are all part of the delicate balance of the rainforest ecosystem. Their presence is a testament to the park's pristine condition and its importance as a refuge for threatened species. Beneath the forest canopy, a hidden world teems with life. Thousands of insect species crawl, fly, and burrow, each playing a vital role in the intricate web of life. From the leafcutter ants to the brightly colored butterflies, the insect life of Manú is as diverse and fascinating as any other aspect of this extraordinary ecosystem. No account of Manú's biodiversity would be complete without mentioning its majestic trees. The park is home to an estimated 15,000 plant species, including towering giants that reach for the sky. Some of these trees have stood for centuries, silent witnesses to the ebb and flow of life in the rainforest. Among these giants is the mighty kapok tree, its massive trunk rising straight up before branching out into a crown of leaves that can reach over 200 feet high. These trees are like the skyscrapers of the rainforest, their canopies home to a unique community of plants and animals that rely on them for food and shelter. They are a symbol of the power and resilience of nature. The forest floor is a mosaic of ferns, orchids, and bromeliads. Their vibrant colors are stark contrast to the deep greens of the rainforest canopy. Each plant has adapted to its specific niche in the ecosystem, from the shade-loving ferns to the orchids that cling to the branches of trees. The sheer variety of plant life in Manú is staggering. Scientists are still discovering new species, their research adding to our understanding of the complex relationships that exist within this rich ecosystem. Each plant, from the smallest fern to the tallest tree, plays a vital role in maintaining the health and balance of the rainforest. Manú's forests are not only a source of wonder and beauty, but they also play a crucial role in regulating the global climate. They act as massive carbon sinks, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. Protecting these forests is essential for the health of our planet. No account of Manú's biodiversity would be complete without mentioning its majestic trees. The park is home to an estimated 15,000 plant species, including towering giants that reach for the sky. Some of these trees have stood for centuries, silent witnesses to the ebb and flow of life in the rainforest. Among these giants is the mighty kapok tree, its massive trunk rising straight up before branching out into a crown of leaves that can reach over 200 feet high. These trees are like the skyscrapers of the rainforest, their canopies home to a unique community of plants and animals that rely on them for food and shelter. They are a symbol of the power and resilience of nature. The forest floor is a mosaic of ferns, orchids, and bromeliads. Their vibrant colors are stark contrast to the deep greens of the rainforest canopy. Each plant has adapted to its specific niche in the ecosystem, from the shade-loving ferns to the orchids that cling to the branches of trees. The sheer variety of plant life in Manú is staggering. Scientists are still discovering new species, their research adding to our understanding of the complex relationships that exist within this rich ecosystem. Each plant, from the smallest fern to the tallest tree, plays a vital role in maintaining the health and balance of the rainforest. Manú's forests are not only a source of wonder and beauty, but they also play a crucial role in regulating the global climate. They act as massive carbon sinks, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. Protecting these forests is essential for the health of our planet. The waters of Manú are as teeming with life as the rainforest itself. Over 1,300 species of fish have been recorded in the park's rivers and lakes, a testament to the incredible aquatic biodiversity of the Amazon basin. These waterways are vital arteries, connecting the different ecosystems of the park and supporting a vast array of life. The Amazon River dolphin, a freshwater dolphin species found only in the Amazon and Orinoco River basins, is a frequent visitor to the park's waterways. These playful creatures, with their long snouts and sleek grey bodies, are a delight to behold as they glide through the water, their dorsal fins breaking the surface. The black caiman, the largest predator in the Amazon River system, also calls Manú home. These powerful reptiles, which can grow up to 20 feet in length, are a vital part of the ecosystem, keeping fish populations in check and ensuring the health of the waterways. Their presence is a reminder of the wildness and power of the Amazon. But it is the smaller inhabitants of Manú's waters that are perhaps the most dazzling. The rivers and lakes are home to a kaleidoscope of colorful fish, their scales shimmering like jewels in the sunlight that filters through the water. From the neon tetras to the discus fish, the underwater world of Manú is a sight to behold. The cloud forests of Manú are a realm of mystery and enchantment. The constant mist supports a unique community of plants and animals. Mosses and ferns carpet the forest floor. Orchids cling to the branches of trees. Bromeliads provide miniature ecosystems. The spectacled bear is the only bear species in South America. These bears are skilled climbers. They feed on fruits, berries, and insects. The Andean cock of the rock is another iconic resident. Males perform elaborate courtship rituals. Their displays are a reminder of the vibrancy of life. The cloud forests are incredibly important for the ecosystem. They absorb rainfall and release it slowly into rivers and streams. This helps regulate water flow, preventing floods and droughts. Manú National Park stands as a beacon of hope for our planet. It harbors an unparalleled diversity of life. But its survival is not guaranteed. Human pressures pose significant threats. Manú's role in global conservation is critical. It serves as a vital sanctuary for countless species. Protecting Manú safeguards biodiversity and the Amazon basin. Despite these conservation efforts, Manú National Park faces an array of challenges. Deforestation, driven by agricultural expansion, illegal logging, and mining, continues to threaten the park's fringes. The encroachment of these activities not only destroys habitat but also fragments the rainforest, isolating wildlife populations and making them more vulnerable to extinction. Climate change is another significant threat to Manú's future. Rising temperatures and changes in rainfall patterns could disrupt the delicate balance of the rainforest ecosystem, leading to shifts in species distribution, altered plant phenology, and increased vulnerability to pests and diseases. The illegal wildlife trade also casts a shadow over Manú's future. The park's rich biodiversity makes it a target for poachers seeking to profit from the sale of endangered animals or their parts. Combating this illegal activity requires constant vigilance, effective law enforcement, and international cooperation to dismantle trafficking networks. Despite these challenges, there is reason for hope. The growing global awareness of the importance of biodiversity conservation, coupled with the increasing recognition of the value of indigenous knowledge and the rights of nature, provides a solid foundation for future conservation efforts. The international community must continue to support the Peruvian government's efforts to protect Manú National Park, providing financial resources, technical expertise, and capacity-building programs to strengthen conservation initiatives. By working together, we can ensure that this ecological treasure continues to inspire wonder and sustain life for generations to come. The indigenous communities of Manú are the true stewards of the forest. Their deep connection to the land is evident in their sustainable practices, their profound respect for all living things, and their belief that humans are an integral part of the ecosystem. Their traditional knowledge is a treasure trove of information about the rainforest's secrets. They have developed sophisticated methods of hunting, fishing, and gathering. Their knowledge of medicinal plants is astounding. Their understanding of the interconnectedness of all living things guides their actions. Their role in conservation efforts is paramount. Recognizing and respecting the rights of these indigenous communities is essential for the success of any conservation strategy. Their voices must be heard in decision-making processes that affect their lands and their livelihoods. Their traditional knowledge must be valued and integrated into conservation management plans. The cultural diversity of Manú's indigenous communities is as rich and varied as the rainforest itself. Each group has its own unique language, customs, beliefs, and artistic expressions, adding vibrant threads to the tapestry of human experience within the park. These traditions are not merely relics of the past, they are living expressions of cultural identity that continue to evolve. Their languages, often unrelated to any other known tongues, reflect their deep connection to the rainforest and its inhabitants. Their stories, myths, and legends, passed down through generations, embody their values, beliefs, and understanding of the natural world. Their music, often featuring traditional instruments crafted from natural materials, echoes the rhythms of the rainforest. Their art, expressed through intricate weavings, colorful featherwork, and skillfully carved wooden masks, often depicts the animals and spirits that inhabit their world. These artistic traditions are not merely decorative, they carry deep cultural significance, serving as a means of transmitting knowledge, reinforcing social bonds, and connecting with the spiritual realm. The preservation of these cultural traditions is essential, not just for the well-being of these communities, but for the enrichment of humanity as a whole. Their unique perspectives on the world, their understanding of the interconnectedness of all living things, and their sustainable ways of life offer valuable lessons for a world grappling with environmental challenges and a loss of cultural diversity. Manú National Park, teeming with life, has long captivated explorers and scientists. Its remote location and challenging terrain intrigue those seeking to unravel natural mysteries. The park's history is filled with daring expeditions and groundbreaking discoveries. Early explorers encountered a bewildering array of life forms, many unknown to science. Their journals and specimens fueled fascination with the Amazon, inspiring generations. Pioneers, armed with compasses and curiosity, braved treacherous rapids and dense jungles. Charles-Marie de la Condamine's 18th-century expedition shaped European perceptions of the Amazon. His detailed accounts sparked further interest in scientific exploration of the region. Condamine's journey paved the way for specialized expeditions in the Amazonian ecosystem. Alfred Russel Wallace's research in the Amazon provided crucial evidence for biogeography. Wallace's work, alongside Darwin's, revolutionized our understanding of the natural world. Early expeditions laid the foundation for systematic scientific research in Manú National Park. Research stations established in the 20th century enabled long-term studies and monitoring. The footsteps of countless researchers, students, and conservationists have followed in the footsteps of early explorers, contributing to a growing body of knowledge about Manú's ecological treasures. From ornithologists studying diverse bird life to botanists cataloguing its vast array of plant species, these dedicated individuals unveil the secrets of this extraordinary wilderness. The Kocha Kashu Biological Station, established in 1968, marked a turning point in scientific research in Manú, hosting generations of scientists from around the world, providing invaluable insights into rainforest ecosystems. The long-term study of New World monkeys has provided unprecedented insights into their social behavior and conservation. Research in Manú has also focused on plant diversity, leading to the discovery of new medicines and foods. The legacy of scientific exploration in Manú continues to inspire and inform conservation efforts today. As we face climate change and biodiversity loss, the importance of research in Manú will only grow. Manú National Park stands as a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature. It is a place where life has flourished for millennia, evolving into a dazzling array of forms. From the towering canopy to the forest floor, from the rushing rivers to the hidden depths of oxbow lakes, Manú is a treasure trove of biodiversity, a living laboratory revealing the secrets of life on Earth. But Manú is more than just a collection of species or a tapestry of habitats. It is a place where cultures have coexisted with nature for centuries, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of the forest. The indigenous communities of Manú are the true guardians of this land, their traditional knowledge and sustainable practices offering valuable lessons for a world grappling with environmental challenges. The legacy of Manú is one of resilience, adaptation, and the enduring power of life to thrive in even the most challenging of environments. It is a reminder that we are part of nature, not separate from it, and that our well-being is inextricably linked to the health of our planet. Manú's story is not just about the past, it's about the future we choose to create. The future of Manú, however, is not guaranteed. Like many protected areas around the world, it faces increasing pressures from deforestation, climate change, and the illegal wildlife trade. These threats, driven by human actions, have the potential to unravel the delicate web of life that has evolved in Manú over millions of years. Protecting this irreplaceable wilderness requires a collective effort, a shared responsibility to safeguard its future for generations to come. Protecting Manú National Park is a shared responsibility. By working together, we can ensure Manú and humanity thrive. Supporting sustainable livelihoods and education is crucial. Promoting sustainable practices and combating climate change are essential. Manú's legacy is a shared inheritance, a responsibility for us all. By embracing this responsibility, we can ensure Manú's Symphony of Life continues.